A chilling footage that shows an auto rickshaw ramming into a judge while he was on an early morning jog on Wednesday in Dhanbad. After the incident, the perpetrator is seen fleeing the spot. The victim Uttamanand, an additional sessions district judge, is taken to a nearby hospital by a passerby, but he succumbs to his injuries. Just moments before the rickshaw rams into the judge, this man, who is seen on the other side of the road riding a bike, turns to his right and takes a quick look at the judge. 5 seconds later, the rickshaw driver is seen deliberately ramming his vehicle onto the judge. After this incident, the man on the bike is now seen on the other side of the road. He takes one last look at the injured judge and then speeds away.
फिर मैंने देखा कि सभी तरह के इलाज हो चुके थे। हेड इंजरी था, कान से भी उनको ब्लड जा रहा था। तब तक उनका डिक्लेरेशन हो चुका था कि अब ये नहीं रहे।
जांच के क्रम में जो तकनीकी साक्ष्य और अन्य साक्ष्य उपलब्ध हुए, साथ ही साथ जो सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस इत्यादि के माध्यम से जो फैक्ट्स सामने में आए, उसके आलोक में अभी तक जो है 2 व्यक्तियों को हिरासत में लिया गया और 2 व्यक्ति अरेस्ट किए गए और जो ऑटो इस पूरे घटनाक्रम में जिसका यूज़ हुआ था, उस ऑटो को भी पुलिस के द्वारा जब्त किया गया है।
Though the auto driver has been arrested and the rickshaw seized, the incident brings to light a lax Jharkhand Police Department. On the 27th, just a day before the incident, the very same auto rickshaw used to murder the judge was stolen from the Pathardi police station in Dhanbad. The criminals erased the original number of the auto from its number plate to cover their tracks. While the police have arrested the rickshaw driver and a second person in the case, the actual conspirators are still on the run.
लेकिन जो वीडियो फुटेज सामने आया है, उससे देखने से ऐसा लगता है कि यह एक साधारण एक्सीडेंट का मामला नहीं है। तो इस प्रकार से ऑटो आया और ऐसा लगता है देखने से कि जानबूझ करके उसने धक्का मारा है। तो हम तो इसकी मांग करते हैं कि सीबीआई से जांच कराई जाए।
This is not the first time Dhanbad in Jharkhand has witnessed such a brutal murder. The coal capital of India has seen numerous gang wars in the past. The Jharkhand police has, however, remained a mute spectator to the mafia-related violence in Dhanbad. For instance, in January 2017, Neeraj Singh, the former deputy mayor of Dhanbad, was shot 67 times by motorcycle-borne assailants and murdered. Following this, 2 months later, Neeraj Singh's arch-rival and BJP's former Jharia MLA Sanjeev Singh's driver, Ranjay Singh, was shot dead. In April 2017, Sanjeev Singh surrendered before the police in connection with Neeraj Singh's murder. And Ranjay Singh's murder case was being heard at Judge Uttamanand's court in Dhanbad. Judge Uttamanand had recently rejected the bail application of Aman Singh, an accused in the Ranjay Singh murder case. Investigators are now trying to ascertain if Judge Uttamanand's murder is linked to the chain of murders that took place in Dhanbad in the recent past.
ये काफ़ी लोकप्रिय जज थे। अपूर्णीय क्षति है, ऐसे जज अभी उभरता जज थे। ये हाईकोर्ट तक जज बन सकते थे, अभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज बने थे, इसके बाद प्रिंसिपल डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज बनते, उसके बाद हाईकोर्ट जाते। इनका बहुत प्रोमिसिंग थे। पापा उठ जाएगा, चलो उठ जाएगा, पापा उठ जाएगा, चल ना बाबू, पापा उठ जाएगा, पापा उठ जाएगा।
While the family of Judge Uttamanand is grieving, the close associates of the slain judge feel a police inquiry will no longer be enough to bring the perpetrators to justice. While the district's mafia-related violence continues to grow unabated, the Jharkhand police is facing the heat for not reining in the various gangs of Dhanbad. Bureau Report, The Probe.